Hey everyone, this is James the Tech, and today we'll be doing a review on the Power XL Vortex Air Fryer. Let's get it out the box. Alright guys, taking it out this box. It comes with this manual right here, really cool. About to get down on this manual, read it a little, and see what it's doing. Out the box, it's kind of small and compact, as you guys can see. This is a 2-quart one. I ended up getting it because my mom was using it, and she actually told me it takes grease out of food. And I was like, I wanted to get that because I actually love to fry food, but I don't like the fact that it has a lot of grease. So therefore, I ended up buying one. And this one I got on sale at Walgreens for $42. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and go through this manual real quick, and I'm going to get back to the air fryer in just a second. So they got quite a few different ones, guys. They got quite a few different ones. The one that I have is a 2-quart. They have a 3-quart as well as a 5-quart and a 7-quart. I think this is a cool feature, guys. You can see that they have like French fries, roast, bake, fish, shrimp, chicken, steak, pizza, reheat, and dehydrate. So basically, this is different temperatures that you put it on at time, and they also have the models that it works with equivalently. All right, guys, I'm back. I cut it on. It actually tells me to let it run for about 2 or 3 minutes, and it actually is going to enable it to basically clean itself off. So this is what I'm doing as of now, and I'm going to be having this here today. I'm going to be having fried zucchini, and I put cornmeal on it, and I want to let you guys know how this comes out. Hopefully it comes out pretty good. I'm excited about this brand new air fryer by Power XL. So far it's amazing. Got a pretty good deal on this thing. Had to buy it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, you can see I just put it all into this air fryer container. This is a 2-quart, so that's my zucchini. I cut up maybe about 5 zucchinis, and now we're going to go ahead and see how this works. I think I may need 2 hands to do this. There we go. And there we got it in the socket. Now we're going to go ahead and hit the power button. Alright guys, so I'm going to cut it on 18 minutes with a temperature of 360. And here we go. See you guys in a few minutes. Alright guys, I'm done with the air fryer, and this is what I got. These are my results. I left it on the temperature of 360 for about 18 minutes, and it came out not all the way done, so I put it back on 400 minutes for 10 minutes, and this is my results. This is my zucchini, and it tastes great. I just cooked this piece of salmon, guys. This salmon I just cooked in here took me about 13 minutes, and I put it on 380, and it was like halfway frozen, halfway thawed out. So there you go, 13 minutes, a piece of fresh salmon. Beautiful. I like to say I'm pretty satisfied with this air fryer. I really am, and I hope that actually helped me cut back on calories and eating food and things of that nature. And I hope that you guys can get one and enjoy one too. Alright guys, this is James the Tech. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.